try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse, and the tears come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes to waste. Could it be worse? Lights will guide.
Getting to know the locals and getting to know the people and reconnecting with my family. And when you're in Somalia, you finally feel like you're at home. Everybody around you is Somali, the language, the culture. It's just, you kind of reconnect with yourself. And so I think even apart from WSSP, I myself, like, you know, I gained a lot and grew a lot. So
I think the diaspora does play an important part, but sometimes we need to remember not playing the savior of all times. So really what I liked about the IT camp was empowering local youth to take on initiatives on themselves. So it's not us from the diaspora coming in and doing all the work, but more people back home, so people from Kayo and Hargeisa really working on fixing the whole country together and like work hand in hand.
قفكس أنت خديو مسؤولية صعبة. طالب علم ما تعي إلى يوم قيامة ولا عي علم قيامتك صبرتك محاس كل استعماشين والويدينا واجب إنه تعملته كان جنين برنا كان برنا أختار منه كان برنا وإحنا قد صمال ما تحلو بهنا أكيد يا رب ولا كيل عبد السوري هي تقول حصل ولو بهنا
لكن ده كان واحد برت سدين ودبلوب غير كمان سدين مجتمع سوداء سدين انتجريشن وسمين كمان عقو سمين كنا هرديدي نسول حجتينا ولا نات ده وكلة دونا ولا تين ميديسين دكتور ما يكجنا ميديسين كوا حرقي وكاجدو يهدي جايتي بتوما أوكي ميديسين غير كم إذا وكاجس يدو يسوما أوكي مكينا في من لهان سوبرميسون for example أنا توريزم وقتي هنا هاي توريزم وقتوها مكمل الرياض هاي توريزم وقت يا كسيتها hospitality ينكا يا كسيتها hotel management ينكا يا كسيتها duty ما معناها قفك professional تسنو كأكترس it makes sense ما أنا شكل بحكي traditional commissions يلا وياش إنه هاي لكن ده كان professional we have to make it deal professional كده إنه أنا سورة إنه ده professional سأقفل بتخصص كيسة وبرت.
Would I ask any of the diaspora members to go to Somalia? Yes, most definitely. We need to revisit. Somalia is not going to pick itself up. We all collectively need to go back to Somalia and see what we can do. And to be honest, even though people have told me, oh, it's dangerous, especially the city that you're going to, I actually found it to be, in a way, a lot more secure than what is put out there in the media. You know, there's a lot of hope, there's a lot of progress. Yeah.
I would say to go back home. It's not scary. Don't listen to the media, and especially if you have family or friends, it makes it a whole lot easier to go back home and
For a generation who has spent most of their lives outside Somalia, It is remarkable how the young Somalis of today have organized themselves and taken up the challenge of rebuilding their country. Their success has shown that whilst many in the country still ascribe to the perils of tribalism, people who love their country have no boundaries and can work with one another despite where they are from. The key lesson from this journey home is that Somalis can only move forward together. Operation Restore Home has a long way to go before we can see the fruits of its labor.
Lights will guide